In this tutorial, I will be making PBfit chocolate tarts, heavily inspired by the keto chocolate peanut butter tarts you can find on ruled.me. Pause the video to make sure you have all of the ingredients available and ready to go. You will also need a tart pan or similar. I'm using ceramic souffle pans approximately 5 inches in diameter. Step 1. Combine all crust ingredients in a blender and mix thoroughly. Once mixed, pour, spoon, or otherwise put the crust batter into your tart pans. Mine is ooey gooey and does not want to play nice, but I may not have filled the measuring cup and spoon all the way with the flaxseed and almond flour. Your results may vary. Once you're reasonably satisfied with the pan coverage, place your tart crusts into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes. My oven is currently not working, so I'm putting them into my air fryer. Step 2. Combine the PBfit powder with the appropriate quantity of water. The original recipe called for 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. The PBfit instructions say to add 1.5 tablespoons of water to 2 tablespoons of PBfit, which would get us about 3.5 tablespoons total volume. I added a bit more PBfit powder and a little more water. I usually buy butter in 4 tablespoon cubes, which makes dividing into 2 tablespoon chunks way super easy. Blend these ingredients together and set aside until the crusts have cooked and cooled. Step 3. Blend the top layer ingredients together. I tried this part in my Vitamix, but these ingredients are too dry and the Vitamix too big to get a good smooth blend. So here I'm using my magic bullet. This worked better, but I had to stop a few times and mash down the avocado a bit and knock the mix off the walls so it could blend some more. Also, I was frequently worried I was going to burn out the motor on the blender, so be careful. Step 4. This step doesn't need to wait until you've finished the top layer, it just happens to be when I did it. Remove the tart pans from the oven and allow them to cool if you haven't already. Pour the PBfit mix on the crust and spread it around to fill the crust. Place the tart pans in the fridge for 30 minutes or so to allow the filling to set. Step 5. Add the topping and refrigerate for at least an hour more. Step 6. Eat it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more tutorial videos.